Namaskar, I am your host Narayankar. The dim-wit Congress prince Rahul Gandhi has once again launched an attack on Prime Minister Narendra Modi, this time on the issue of surging COVID cases. He criticized Modi for mishandling COVID crisis. He said this during an election rally in West Bengal's Darjeeling. I really don't understand who writes the speech copies of Rahul Gandhi. Either these writers are ignorant fools or they take people for granted. Before taking a dig at Prime Minister Modi, Rahul Gandhi should peep into the steps taken by the Congress ruled states. They have done worse in controlling the pandemic. In fact, these states have contributed approximately 63% of active COVID cases as of April 5. Out of 96,982 cases reported in India, Congress ruled states of Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Punjab, Rajasthan, and Jharkhand have reported 60,797 cases as of April 5. Today, the percentage has surged even further. This is the ground reality in the Congress rule states. And Rahul Gandhi attacks Modi for mishandling COVID crisis. It is laughable. In fact, the BJP ruled Congress, in fact, the BJP ruled states have done better than the Congress ruled states. They have contributed close to 22% of cases. I believe people are aware and they firmly know who is mishandling the COVID situation. Going by the stats above, which I have mentioned, obviously it is the Congress. And when the situation went out of control, the Congress blamed the center by spinning a fake shortage of vaccines narrative in their states. As per Health Ministry records, there are no shortage of vaccines, but there are media reports claiming that the Congress ruled states are sitting on piles of vaccines to spin the shortage of vaccine story to enable them to lobby for pharma companies by asking the center to approve foreign vaccines. So these are the charges the Congress government are facing, and people readily do not contend these charges in the light of Vasuli Gate in Maharashtra, which Congress is the part of Mahavikas Aghadi government. Rahul Gandhi did not stop here. He also attacked Prime Minister Modi for asking people to beat thalis to eradicate coronavirus. I mean, I have never seen such a leader of a large party openly telling lies on a regular basis. To clear the air, Modi did not say that coronavirus will vanish by beating thalis. There are plenty of videos available on social media on this. Modi, in fact, had asked people to bang steel utensils, clap, and light a lamp, not to eradicate the virus, but to honor the frontline health workers and keep the spirits up in the battle against the pandemic. Can any leader be called a visionary if he lies on the face of the people regularly and talks crap? Certainly not. People, I humbly request you to like this video and share as much as possible you can, so that right message reaches to many people across the nation and across the globe wherever the Indians are residing. So thanks for watching the video. I'll keep coming on making several other videos on the burning topics of the day. Thanks for watching once again. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.